Guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX. This is our normally weekly outlook on the currency pairs, metals, crypto, and some indices and some stocks. So without wasting our time, this is a disclaimer here. This channel is for educational purposes only, and all video presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as a investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after you have consulted your financial advisor. So that is, guys, you have to be equipped with knowledge of trading. If you are not equipped, don't be worried. This channel, we are coming up with series, which we may start this week. We will start this week with an intro, but the series is coming up of learning about forex, learning strategies, executing strategies, analyzing technical strategies, and others of them. We're going to do them on this channel, all of them. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and give us a thumb like. Okay, let's move on. This is DSY, and this DSY, I told you before, this is like box, a mark area for DSY reversal. This is my marked area. So as it's a marked area, I'm not buying. I'm not thinking of buying because I know that is coming to an end. When you look at this final Z wave, this is W, X, Y, X, Z. And this is the Z wave. When you look at it, you can see clearly there is an 1, there is 2, there is 3, and there is 4, there is 5. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting it to come to the other block. There's another block at this ejection band. Come to that place, this very place, drop. So that is what I am expecting in D as well as this place now. It may go to that place and then drop. Another possibility is that it may decide to liquidate the down to grab liquidity from this very place. They got a liquidity there, so to grab liquidity there and then drop. So any which one, I'm out for sale. Dollar is going to get weakening by ending of this January and by next month, February. That is all for this one. Okay, this is Euro USD. Is Euro USD the same thing? No, so Euro USD is always an inverse of DSY, inverse of the line. This looking at it, you can see the same thing. WXYXZ. Looking at the Z wave, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting to break out from this very level. Don't mind this take profit. It's for lower time frame because if you go down to lower time frame, let's say 1 hour time frame, there is something very interesting there. Interesting there and there. Interesting thing there is that you can see that there is a 5 wave obstruction. This is a wave 1, and wave 2 is coming down. And there is an other block that is here. That is inducement that is here. This is an ITC pattern. So I'm combining Elliott wave and ITC. So I know Elliott wave and I learn ITC to get my execution precisely. Elliott wave will not give you the kind of execution they want, and the stop loss of Elliott waves are always big. So, but ITC have solved the problem. So, what am I expecting? I'm expecting to come into this very place, this other block, or this what do you call it? Other, sorry, this breaker block or this other block. So that is where I've entered. I will not jump in. I will allow it to come when I confirm the bullish I enter. So if you want to follow me to this trade, you have to be on our Telegram channel. The link to this Telegram channel is in the description of this video. On the screen of this video, you can just join in. That is all for Euro US dollar. The same thing goes here. This is Great Britain. So looking at the Great Britain, you may not see what is there, but looking at the Great Britain, as expected it to drop below, you're going to crush below and come inside this box before a buy will come. That's going to be okay. Let's go down to lower time frame. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Let me show you something. Okay, looking at the 4 hour, you can see this is not an impulse. This is A, B, C. See, and it came to this other block, rejected, and it come again to the other fair value gap there, and it's coming down. So I started it. I'm selling it on my one of my account. Is I'm already sell. I enter on Friday. I have closed one here, 50%. Then I'm waiting for it to break this low. I want to liquidate this now. I believe it's going to liquidate this one because this is A, and C. That is why Elliott wave is news of Elliott wave is very good. Elliott wave knows that this is not an impulse, it's a correction pattern ABC. So what did I expect? This liquidity that is under here is going to be targeted. That is all on this thing. If you want to join or trade this trade, then join our Telegram channel and learn more. So this is uh okay, this is AUD USD. Right from time, I expected it to come below here. I expected it to come here to this very point before bullish will commence. But looking at the situation of the market, it might not reach there again. It may reverse from here and start going up. So let's see what I want to show you guys for hours time frame. Let's see something there. So I saw this trade on Friday. I sold it from here in the night. It came here. I closed. It came liquidates it back there. Let's liquidate there. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let me show you. Trade I traded. I sold it. I missed this place. I entered here. I enter another one here. So I close it. You liquidate this place. Look at it. This is my take profit there. You liquidate this place and jump up. And jump up immediately. But that's up. I didn't like it because I expected it to touch the other block or even a breaker block. We did not touch any one of them. We did not touch available. So it's on a fake rising. So therefore you may see it coming back again to this very point below here before proper move will start. So don't be surprised when you liquidate this low again for the proper move will start. That is all for this guy. The same goes to his partner in crime. They are almost the same thing, the same pattern. Okay, this one reached the other block. It reached the other block and it started going up. But I didn't buy it though because many other dollar pairs are not in. I suspect this one because this one normally moves somehow. It may come below here to here before move starts. And it's expected from here. This is one. Okay. Expected from here. That is all for this guy. US dollar Swiss francs. US dollar Swiss francs. Whether they sell. US dollar Swiss francs is a unique one now. So what am I expecting this trade to do? Of course, a sell is what I expected. A sell. I expected a sell from here down. Is what I expected. So, but there is possibility of this trade going up here again, coming up this very point before dropping. But all the same, I'm not buying it. I'm looking for a sell in US dollar, Swiss francs. Okay, let's play again. Let's go to yam pairs. Yam pairs. Okay, yam pair did the magic today. Oh no, I missed this. I missed this. Wow. I expected it to come up here, but it did not come. It come below here. Touch the other block. There's other block there that I marked that I'm going to trade with. I don't even pay attention to it again. So I missed that lovely trade. Let me check something there. Okay, he didn't touch the other block. He don't even touch the other block, self. So there's a possibility of liquidating that low. Hmm. Okay. So all the same, but what I'm expecting here is a sell. When you look at it, it has come to this very point. I expect it to come up here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But looking at it, I think he has saturated what he wanted to do. So what are we expecting? We're going to spread and move to this place and a drop again. So we may not reach there again. Well, it may, because markets have the final say. It may reach there, it may not reach there. So, but I don't expect it to reach there. That is all for that US dollar, yuan, Japanese yuan. Hmm. Okay, this is which pair is this? US dollar, Canadian yuan. As ready to come to this other block, which he has come to, and a bullish move. I expected a bullish move from there before a sale starts. So, but I'm not in a hurry to trade it. I'll be watching it to see whether I will enter or I will not enter. I think I'm done with yam pairs. Okay, this guy did with me last week. Although I entered here, take some profit, move my some things to break even. So he came back, liquidate my break even and drop below. So this I only take small profit here. Small one, yes, small one, and then before I come down to liquidate my break even. So what am I expecting from this pair? I'm expecting a bullish movement. There's still bullish there because it has not yet completed its bullish. Yes, I'm expecting a bullish movement to this very point. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a bullish movement from here, but that bullish movement is not going to be rosy. It may be sluggish. Like you will not like the movement. It will be very, very scattered and nonsense movement. I was saying that what I expected from this guy. That is for Euro Japanese yen. Now let me leave this one. This one, the same thing. Come to other block and it's moving up. This is Great Britain here. Great Britain here is acting somehow. The pair is very, very active. It's a very, very dangerous pair. You look at what he did there. He came and did a injection bar, another bullish bar. Before you know it, he crushed below them and came to this other block. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the bullish trade here. Bullish. I expect it to come to this very point before it drop. Why? Because this is WXYXZ. So I want it to come to here for sell a start. But it can as well just did a little collection here and drop. So market had a final say. What is this one? Wow. German Indies. German Indies has been disobedient students. So what is saying, guys? So I expected the player to come down below to do a correction A, B, and C. But instead, it keep on flying up and they keep on going up. Although I did not trade it and I'm not interested in trade it, this year I have limited my watch list and I'm a limited self analysis because of people that ask me to analyze this one, analyze this. That's why I'm still doing all these big pairs. Some pairs I no longer trade them. I just analyze them. Like this one, no longer trade it because I just wanted to limit my watch list to focus more. That is all. Okay. Wow. This is good. This is US started, USD Jones. It came here, collect, and it created a liquidity. There's a liquidity created here. A liquidity created here. So what did he do? He came back to liquidate that place, touch the other block that is here, and is about to fall. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a sell to this very point. This is the very point. As I say, from here to here. This is A, this is B, and this should be C. That's what I'm expecting. A, B, and C. Before Another bias will come in. So that is what I am expecting on this very place. A, B, and C. So look at it. It was the other block and retrace back. So what I will do on Monday, and this is a liquidity. Liquidity, they are very good liquidity. So it validated the other block. So it means that the other block has valid. So I'll go down to lower time frame and find my entry and sell it. First take profit here. Second take profit here. That is for US dollar digits. This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq have been a nightmare. I sold it from here. I came here. I closed on 50%, waiting for it to finalize here. But it went back up to this very point. So, but I'm still in sell bias. I ready to come back again to sell from there down to here. Once it gets here, then I'll start looking for buy. That's what I will do with NAS. Good, good. Let me check this side. Okay, let me leave this side. Good, good. I refuse to sell, even though we believe it's going to sell. But they are still playing some tricks and looking at it, I expected it to sell. But I'm not going to rush in. I will allow it to see my confirmation before I sell. But meanwhile, I may be trading it in the lower time frame in buying, selling, and buying and selling less of them. So that is all for gold. Silver. Silver, the king of inducement. Silver is the king of inducement. If you never say I say king of inducement, anywhere you buy it, it must induce you. Unless you are master inducement before you can trade silver or you trade without stop loss and which is very dangerous. So silver is the king of inducements. Where last week I saw it here and I believe I was going to start selling from here, but when I waited to see confirmations before I know it, it broke the low, induced the up, and came to 61.6 in average ratio, then it traced back. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this, I can't buy this kind of movement. This kind of movement is not a bullish movement. See, look at this one. Look at this one before. You can see this one. See this one also. This movement and this what is different. They are the same. They are corrective movement. So it is not good for a bullish trader. Sorry, a swing trader, not an ATC guy. ATC guy can buy and sell at any time. Even in second, 3 seconds, minutes, they can buy. But a swing trader is not good. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a sell down to this very point. That's what I'm expecting. So this very week, I will be looking out to see my sell entry. Once I get it, I will be happy. That is all for silver. Okay, cryptocurrencies. Let's start with Repo. Wow. Wow. I went and buy Su without knowing that Repo is doing more than Su. Su was just there doing nonsense. Oh, that's market for you. So as for that, this is A, B, C, D, E. So the E was not fully formed. It came here and start flying up. Repo is almost $3. You get up to $3. If you buy it from here, you made a lot of money from that game. That is up for Repo. It's because of this Trump inauguration that's all the cryptocurrencies are flying. Wow. Wow. This is good. This is good. I expected it very well. You can see the analysis. And I expected it just today that is indeed today it jumped from 218 to 26 270. That is great. That is a very great trade. You have entered it here, targeted here, you have made a lot of money. Sorry. You have made a lot of money. When you saw this pin bar and I show you the way, you can see just how many R. One is to three. Yeah, I made a lot of money. Made a lot of big money. I didn't trade it. I only trade Sue, but Sue just a fuck up. Okay, this is Bitcoin. As I told you before, that the Bitcoin is going to do a 4. It is at 8 and it turns that 8 ratio and a climb up. So this is wave 5, which may be the final bull run. So if you are new in crypto, I would advise you keep your money. Don't invest again. The time to invest has passed. There's nothing to invest again. It is time to sell. So the bull run is coming to an end. This is maybe the final bull run, or it may come to here, it may climb, come to here and do some correction towards here and then continue to this very point, to this on 145. So either here or here, 145 or this very place. The two of them may be. But according to my experience in crypto, with the seasonality in crypto, I suspected here to end it because from February, normally from February, crypto start falling after the bull year. So don't leave your money there. It is time to begin to count your profit and gather your money. It's not time to invest. So this is V chain. So as soon as the V chain to come up at least to this value point to the liquidate this place before sales began. That's all I expected in the V chain. And again, R and B, R ARB USDT. This one is not moving at all. Just like what is happening in soup. It's just fucking up. It's supposed to move. It's supposed to make its own final move. This is final move before anything. It's gonna make its own final move. So wait for it. The same goes here. The final move is coming. Polygon. And the same go Ethereum. Have not made its own final move. Looking at it, you can see that it's a final move. I wanted to come to this very level, 4,800 to 5,000. So expect it on Monday when Trump will be inaugurated. That's going to be a final move in crypto. This final move, once it's happened, pack your bag and keep your money safe. Sue has been okay. I started moving up. I started moving up this night. This is Sue. I expected it to come to at least $6, $6 to yeah, or $7. This is where I expected Sue to stop. It's not going to stop there. This is where I expected it to come to before I sell it. Looking at it, you can see it corrected this move A, B, and C. It liquidated this place, come to the other block, pick some others. I bought it from here. So I'm waiting for it. You're not moving. But I think he has started moving now. So if you want to buy it now, you can buy it. Why you target, don't target so much. Just target just target 1:2. Buy it here. Put your stop loss under there. Then what the item is saying. Target $6. Once you get to $6, sell your sue and pack out. That is all for sue. Okay, that is all, guys. I would love you to share this video. I would love you to give us a subscribe to this channel and support us on what we are doing in forest industry. And also remember that we are going to be having a series very soon, which we begin this week with introduction. So stay tuned and learn from the traders. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.